Umboniso 3, Scene 3. Kusasa ngomhla womtshato, in the morning of the day of the wedding, Gugulethu ufika kulo Mzamo. Gugulethu arrives at Mzamo's home, Mzamo being intanga yakhe, his friend or his peer, a person of his own age. Baza kuya emtshatweni kunye. They are going to go to the wedding together. Makumalo is the mother of the house. Kawukhobe noBesuthu. Just have a look, peep out. noBesuthu lihashe likabani eli lizayo. Whose horse is this coming? She peeps out. You, Thixo, oh my God. Go, andothuka. I got such a fright. Yintoni na noBesuthu? What is it? Ndothuswa lihashi likabhuti Gugulethu. I was startled by Gugulethu's horse. Gugulethu was still on the horse. Molweni endlini. Hello to all in the house. Yintoni na Gugulethu mntanam? What is the matter? What is it, Gugulethu, my child? Amahashe selebile emanzi nje, with the horses already dripping with perspiration. Niyapi, where are you going? Siya emtshatweni emgagasi mama. We are going to the wedding at Mgagasi, Mom. Just a term of respect. Uphi umzamo. Where is Mzamo? Akusehli nasehasheni na Gugulethu. Are you not even going to get off your horse, Gugulethu? Seningxamele emitshatweni yabanye abafana. You are in a hurry, Nxamele, to get to the weddings of other young men. Nina niyakuchata nini, and yet when are you going to get married? Hayi, ayinxamelanga loo nto mama. No, there's no rush for that. Yonke into inexesha layo. Everything has its own time. Nanko ke untangakho kulandlu ingezansi. There is untangakho, your friend, in that house down below. Gugulethu goes to Mzamo. He says, Molo chief. Ewe molo chief, kunjani mfo, exchanging greetings. Hayi siphilile enkosi. Tyheni madoda, just exclaiming. Hey mfondini. Hey my friend. Akukalungisi nangoku? Are you not even ready yet? Ndiyakukushiya mna ukuba akukhawulezi. I will leave you behind if you don't hurry up. I'm Fundin. No man. Sukungxama kangaka. Don't be in such a hurry. noBesuthu, noBesuthu, calling to his sister, echaza inwele, whilst combing his hair. Bhuti, brother, akwenzanga kutya na dade? Have you not prepared any food? Sifumane phambi kokuba sihambe, so that we can have some phambi kokuba sihambe before we leave. Hayi bafondini, just an exclamation again. Lo mfana usabiza ukutya. This young fellow is calling for food at this time. Ngeli xesha. This is what Gugulethu says. Asisoze sihambe inene. We will never get away. Truly. Mzamo says, Unxilile na Gugulethu? Are you drunk, Gugulethu? Uthi siza kuhamba singatyanga? Are you saying we are going to leave not having eaten? noBesuthu sukumhoya lo mfana. noBesuthu pay no attention to this young man. Ndiyabona uphambene. I see that he's mad. Ukuba akanxilanga. If he is not drunk, he's either mad or drunk. Ha 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 ha. Andikabuva oko kusile. I have not had any since daybreak. Kodwa ndibufuna ngamandla, but I want some badly. Kakade ke ntanga, and so my friend singathini ukuze sibufumane? What can we do in order to get some? This is now something to drink. Ndomile nam mfondini. I'm also dry, my friend. Kwaye apa ekaya, and here at home, akukho netonsi eli. There is not even a drop. Phofu ke ntangam, however, ntangam, my friend, sizakusela kula mtshato. We are going to drink at that wedding, because kaloku kuchata inkabi yamalanga. A man of means is getting married today. Abana kunga sili. They cannot not have prepared liquor. Hayi mfondini, ndifuna ukuya kufika sendifumene. Now my friend, I want to arrive there sendifumene, already having had some. Hey Gugulethu, kakade uyaziqonda ukuba ufundisiwe. You realize, of course, that ufundisiwe, that you are an educated person. Yintoni le? What is this business yokufuna ukuya, of wanting to go emtshatweni, to the wedding, es usele, having had something to drink? Akwazi, do you not know ukuba kuza kubakho, that there will be present ezinye izifundiswa phaya, other educated people there? Do you not know that there will be other educated people there? Kaloku la mfana kangoqo ufundisiwe. That young ngoqo fellow is educated, is an educated person. Eyona nto wena chief, the main thing chief, asikuko nokuba ndifuna ukunxila, is not that ndifuna ukunxila, that I want to get drunk. Nto nje ndifuna ukukhupha intloni. All I want to do is remove my shyness, to get some Dutch courage. Intloni is shyness. Kuba ndinentombi endifuna ukuyibamba phaya, because there is a girl that I want to literally catch there, that I want to get hold of there. Kunjalo ke chief, if that is the case, then chief, hlala eqhingeni, stick to the plan. Siye kufuna, and let us go to try and get intwana a little bit from Mam Jwacha, phambi kokuba sihambe, before we leave. Bendicinga loo nto nam chief, I was thinking about the same thing, chief. Masiye, let's go. And off they go then to Mam Jwacha. Nkonkonko. Kwo Jwacha, andifanga yibhabalaza ndafa, kunzima nokuthetha. Oh nkonkonko, knock knock knock. Oh Jwacha, I am so hungover that I'm dying. It's even difficult to speak. Ezenza ochubekileyo, speaking with in a sort of with a dragging tongue. Yiyo lento unkonkozayo. That is why you say unkonko, konko endaweni yokunkonkoza. In other words, he should have said unkonkonko instead of unkonkonko. So that is why you unkonkoza instead of unkonkoza, because sekushwabenu nolwimi, your tongue is lazy. Tyhini Jwacha, which is just a clan name. Ndingathini usibulele nje izolo? What am I to do if you literally killed us yesterday? phofu ke andikugxeki. However, I'm not blaming you. Kodwa ke jwarha, khawenze siqabule kaloku. Give us some jwarha siqabule so that we can ease our thirst. So that we can ease our thirst or refresh ourselves, revive ourselves. Kaloku maduna. But don't forget, young men, I suppose we can say that, igqirha liyahlawulwa ukuze iyeza lisebenze. The witch doctor receives payment if the medicine is to work. Hayi jwarha man, no man jwarha. Khawuyeke ukuvimba oko torho. Don't stop being so vimba, stingy. Khawusinike nje man ngesisa. Give us some for free. Khawuyeke ukuziphatha kakubi. Oku. Stop misbehaving in this manner. You unga ncama Mzamo mfowam. You can forget about it, Mzamo. My friend, amaqhinga akho ndiyawazi. I know your amaqhinga, your tricks. Uzakuphalisa ngapha, you are going to gallop over there, and yet now akukwazi nokuthetha, and yet now you are making it so you cannot even speak. Hayi jwarha man, no man jwarha. Khawuziphathe kakuhle. Behave properly, treat us properly. Khawuyeke le nyaka yakho. Stop this nonsense of yours. Yikha utywala obu, and pour us some liquor, some beer. He, she laughs. I swear by the daughter of Mfenuka, and here's an explanation for you which you can read. You will feel pain here from me. We are going to show abakum. Jwarha kulungile, suku bambezela. Stop wasting time. Yika, pour some. This is what Gugulethu now says to this lady. Ndiyazi ukuba nina nomzamo niyakulibala kukuthetha. I know that you and Mzamo niza kulibala. You are going to waste time kukuthetha kude kuchone ilanga, until the sun sets. Jwarha speaks. Hey Mzamo, lo mfana akafani nawe. This young chap is not like you. Galento with regards to ukutanda izisulu, of liking freebies. Ndigalele esa malini. For how much should I pour then? Bungani is just a clan reference. Yenza esengoko. That is a certain measure which he says she must pour. Naboke, and there it is. Mtiwam, which is just the Mti, just a shortened name version of Mtimkulu, one of the praise names of the Hlubi clan. Chief Mfundin, Chief, my friend, Masinga Chiti Klesha, let us not waste time. Masisele size kuhamba. Let us drink and leave. Pow! Oh, it's nice and bitter. Ndikuthanda ngalento ke jwarha. I love you for this, jwarha. Uyakwazi ukwenza ukutya kwamadoda. You know how to prepare men's food. In other words, liquor. And he sings this little song while smiling and drinking. Bega phaya ntombazana esisikali. A little young girl just put this mug down over there. And they finish drinking and they leave saying goodbye. Nisale kakuhle, jwarha. Mam Jwarha says, kulungile, okay. Nibo jonga kaloku nani phaya emchatweni. You must also look around. you two there at the wedding. Sifuna ukutya, we want to enjoy your imichato, your weddings. You're quite right, Mjwaha. Yeka wena, but don't worry. Leave it for now. Hayi suka. Usisishumane esinomlomo nje cha. No, Mzamo. You just a hardened bachelor. Esinomlomo with a big mouth. Andazi ukuba ufuze bani na. I don't know who you fuza take after. Kuba uyihlo, your father, Mfungelwa, wayenge so si shumane, was not a bachelor, one who disliked women. Ha 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 ha, they laugh and leave. Masinga palisi ntangam, let's not gallop too fast, my friend. Amahashe ayakufa le lilanga, the horses will collapse in this heat. Unyansile, you're quite right, my friend. And off they sing this little song as they move off. Ow, 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 boy, says Mzamo. Kakade ntanga. By the way, my friend, kutheni uyithanda kangaka le ngoma? Why do you like this song so much? Andiyithandi yona yodwa. I don't just like it. Ndithanda yonke into eyingoma. I like all songs. Yindalo yam leyo. That is, it's my nature. Tyhini chief, andikuvanga kakuhle. I did not hear you quite clearly, follow you quite clearly. Ukhe wathetha ngokubamba intombi ethile phaya emtshatweni. Did you say that you want to get hold of a certain girl there at the wedding? Which one is it? Chief, ufanele ukungayazi. It is fitting that you should not know. Andizange ndithethe ngalo mntana kuwe. I have never spoken about this child to you. Lo mntwana ngowangapha kutsolo engcolosi. This person is from over there near Tsolo at the Ngolosi village. Sasifunda kunye kwa Bly. We studied together at Blytheswood College. Ndaqala apho ukumbona. I saw her there for the first time. Ndamthanda kakhulu, and I loved her very much. Hayi ke ndazama ukuzithethela. I tried to win her over to speak for myself literally. Kodwa ndawa phansi, but I failed. Hey, uthini nangoku, Chief? What are you telling me now, Chief? Inene ntanga. Indeed, my friend. Yaphela tu iminyaka emithathu ndizama. 3 years went by, ndizama with me trying. Ndisiwa phansi lonke elo xesha. Failing all of that time, kude kube namhlanje, right up until today. Lo mntwana unesimilo, uthetha kakuhle. This child has character, personality, and she speaks beautifully. Uthetha kakuhle, she speaks favorably. Kangangokuba, to the extent that giving the impression that some other time ngelinye ixesha ungathi uza kuvuma, giving the impression that at some stage she will accept. Ukhe wambalela phofu? Have you ever written to her? Ndimbalela qho, kunjalo nje uyaziphendula zonke. I write to her regularly and she responds to all of them. She has answered all the letters. Uyabona ke, Chief, namhlanje uza kudibana neentanga zakhe. Today you are going to meet up with her friends. Ukuba umphosile namhlanje uze uncame. If you miss her today, if you lose out on her today, you must give up. Mfondini, musa ukuqinisekisa. Don't be so sure. Kutheni uyithatha lula nje lento? Why are you taking this so lightly? Hey, Chief, andinakoyiswa yintombi. No girl will get the better of me, sendiphambi kwayo, when she is in front of me. Phofu, uqinisekile ukuba ikhona phaya emtshatweni? However, are you sure that she will be there at the wedding? Ikhona, Chief. She is there, and I've heard so. Kulungile ke, Chief. Uze undikhombise xa sifika phaya. You must khombisa her, you must point her out to me. Xa sifika phaya. When we get there. Kufuneka siyibize. We must call her kwakamsinya, soon. Emva kwelokhwe yokuqala, after the first dress, literally. And here you can read about what is meant by the term ilokhwe yokuqala.